Good afternoon. Let's look at this 2023 Earth geometry question. This one says 4 towns A 70 degrees north, 65 degrees west, B 70 degrees north, 65 degrees east, C 70 degrees south, 65 degrees east, and D 70 degrees south, 65 degrees west. Sketch the surface of the Earth showing A, B, C, and D. So I've already done the sketch here. So what you must understand is where west is, where north is, where east is, and where south is. And you must also know what this means. So the front one, you must understand what it means. This one, you must understand what it means. This one, you must understand what it means. And this one, you must understand what it means. This will be very easy for you. So now let's look at this one. So this is the surface of the Earth. This is the surface of the Earth. This is the north and this is the south. And we have the middle line is the equator. The middle line is the equator. Anything below the equator is south. Anything above the equator is north. And then we have the middle here. Anything to this side is the east. Anything to this side is the west. And then when you look at how these are drawn, have been given, the first one is the latitude. So B 70 degrees north and 65 degrees east. So this one we are talking about on latitude 70 degrees and longitude 65 degrees. So the first is the latitude, the second is the longitude. So latitudes run from west to east. So we are talking about this one. We are saying it is 70 degrees north. So you put 70 degrees north. And then on longitude 65 degrees west. 65 degrees west is on the western side. So we're talking about the longitude. So meaning the longitude is running from this side going to the south. So this is 65 degrees west. 65 degrees west. And then we have B 70 degrees north and 65 degrees east. 65 degrees east meaning it is in the eastern side. So it is this side. 65 degrees east is this side. So this is 65 degrees east. 65 degrees east. So it is saying 70 degrees north and 65 degrees east. So meaning B is here and A is here. It is saying 70 degrees north and 65 degrees west. So meaning A is here, B is here. And then we come down here, C is equal to 70 degrees south and 65 degrees east. So south is below the equator, meaning 70 degrees south will be down here. So this is latitude 70 degrees. So this is the latitude, this is the longitude. So we've already drawn 65 east, so this is 65 east. So meaning C will be here because it is on 70 degrees south, which is south of the hemisphere, and 65 degrees east, which is on the eastern side. So C will be here. And then we have 70 degrees south, so they are on the same. So this is 70 degrees south. So D is on 70 degrees south and 65 degrees west. So 65 degrees west is this one. So D is here. And you are done with your sketch. And then there are some questions that are following. So this one, we are told that the distance, the radius is equal to 3,437 nautical miles. So if you are given this, it means you must calculate the distance in nautical miles. And then pi is equal to 3.142. 3.142. And then the corresponding questions are saying, find the distance AB along latitude 70 degrees north. This is question 1. Question 2 says BC, the distance BC along longitude 65 degrees east, along longitude 65 degrees east. This is very easy. This is very easy. We all know the formulas for finding the distance. So let's look at this now. So this is how the Earth looks. Our Earth looks like this. Our sketch, north, south, 70 degrees south, 70 degrees north, A, B, C, D. This is 65 west. This is 65 east. So find the distance in nautical miles. So this is the distance in nautical miles along AB. So AB are on the same latitude. So the formula will be longitude difference, the difference in longitude, over 360 times 2 pi r cos theta. The cos theta, this is the latitude they are aligned on. So they are aligned on latitude 70. So cos theta will be cos 70. The longitude difference, as you can see, these two are in different hemispheres. So it will be 65 plus 65. So the longitude difference will be 65 plus 65 over 360 times 2 times pi is 3.142 times the radius is 3,437 times cos 70 times cos 70. If you do your maths here, you find that this plus this is 130 over 360 times 2 times this is 6.29 times this times cos 70 is equal to 7,386.99. So this times this will be equal to 1,165.9. So in rounding off, this just as 1,166 nautical miles, and you are done with the distance from A to B. The distance from A, the other question says find the distance BC from B to C. So these align on the same longitude, but different latitudes. The distance in same longitude is found by latitude difference over 360 times 2 pi r times 2 pi r. The latitude difference, as you can see, these two are in different hemispheres. The difference here, you add the latitudes because they are in different hemispheres. So it will be 70 plus 70 over 360 times 2 times pi is 3.142 times the radius, which is equal to 3,437 nautical miles. 140 over 360 times this times this is equal to 21,474.376. So this times this is equal to 8,351 nautical miles.